And so this is the second part of the video of dry body brushing. You are not allowed to participate in this video if you did not watch the previous one, because the previous one explains the anatomy and the reasoning behind body brushing. Because if I understand my body and I'm empowered and I have knowledge, then I can really do it correctly and I can see the benefits. So luister vir julle Rottenmeier en gaan kyk die vorige video. Okay, we discussed now where the lymph nodes and the lymph glands are sitting. So the first rule of thumb when I'm working with lymph is I always work towards the heart. Lymph does not have a heart or a pump. So when I work with lymph, like when I taught you all how to clean your colon and how to massage your colon, onthou julle ek het vir julle gesê kloksgewys. The number 2 leaves the body in a clockwise motion. Now lymph goes towards the heart motion. So when I'm working with lymph, I'm always going in my agterkop towards the heart, towards the heart, towards the heart. Hoekom? Because here is my thymus gland, that's my Trost driver, and the thymus gland is the main switch. It's the main switch of the body. And this is my body's immunity. This is a direct link to my limbic system. This is a direct link to all my systems, to my lymphatic system. And in whatever treatment I do, I will always first put my hand here. All my diamonds that have been for sessions with me knows, ek het aan hulle almal se tetties gevat, because I switch on the lymphatic system and I switch on the body here on the main switch, which is the thymus. So now it makes sense why they say in lymph that you always work towards the heart. And then about here is the cisterna chili, which is like the main mothership of the lymphatic system. This is a lymph sac waar alles by mekaar kom. So that's what I was saying, when you drain lymph and you work with lymph, and I'm not a lymph drainage therapist, there are therapists that just do lymph drainage. They are next level. We studied the basics when I did, but all of my research, I will tell you, if you do this at home, always work towards the heart, because these two centers here, these two main switches, are the ones that's going to reboot and send the clean lymph through your body. Okay, so let's just recap on the glands. We've got lymph glands here, we've got lymph glands here. We've got the thymus one here that I'm obsessed with. We've got the cisterna chili here. We've got a lot of lymph glands under the arms. We've got here by the groin and then at the back of the knee. Okay, so when you do massage, when you apply your number 8 on your body as a body elixir, when you massage yourself, when you body brush yourself, and even when you do your rolling, you are always going to start at your feet. Always. You always start at the feet and you move upwards. So I would love to stand here in my birthday suit for you, but the people looking after the brand and my name have strictly advised against it. So I'm just going to mark off at my body brush because it's very difficult on my pants. Okay, so now if you are alone, and I will ask my friend, she's very sexy, and I will ask her to put on a synergy suit for us, and she is going to lie on the bed, and we'll do a video where I will dry body brush her, and I will show you how to then show your husband or your daughter or your friend or whoever is around you all the time to dry body brush you, because it's very nice to receive. Yes, this and that. So now you're going to do it yourself, and you are, for example, now in your bathroom and you are standing at your bath. So I am very flexible. So afhangende van waar jou bad nou is, gaan jy nou jou voet of op die kassie sit, of op die bad se rand, of op die toilet sitplek. I'm very flexible. 44, julle moet kan dit doen, né? Oefen. Goed. So now I'm going to start here, and it's a very good idea to dry body brush before getting into the shower. You can dry body brush after a bath or after a shower using your oil, your Aldila number 8 oil. You can just dry body brush. You can do whatever you see fit. It's very good to do it in the mornings. You feel invigorated and refreshed for the whole day, but everybody's got their own time and their own sacred time and their own self-care time. As long as you remember the rules, always start at the feet and always work in an upward motion towards the heart. Okay, so there's a video where I've shown you, and always use this other hand to give yourself support, to caress your body, to love her, and to activate your oxytocin. Because the only way to actually reduce cortisol and stress is through touch and becoming calm. Okay. So you're going to start at the bottom. Kan jy my sien, Renetjie?
Yes.
And you're going to gentle. Jy gaan nie so gaan nie. Kalm. Rustig. Ek gee om vir myself. Jy gaan nie dry body brush soos ek my kar ry nie. Kalm, rustig, vreedsaam. Sag. Be soft with your body. Be gentle with your body. Aan die pad op. You can now, ek gaan nou omdraai, want my broek is in die pad. You can do nice. I know a friend that's gonna lie naked for us. Dan gaan ek julle lekker wys op haar. So this is the correct way. So ek weet nie of Renette die vloer gaan sien nie, maar dit is nie 'n goeie idee om te buk nie. Maar as jy nou regtig wil, gaan ek julle nou wys. Jy kan nou so gaan. Sien julle? Okay. So nou borsel ek. Wel, dit seker nou goed om 'n bietjie te strek. Ek meen ek kan nou nie, ek wil julle bietjie my agterkant sien. Sien, dit is hoe mense dit doen. Dit is hoe mense dit doen. En nog altyd vir julle 'n gat gegooi. Right, so dit is hoe ek dit doen. Aan die pad op. Okay. So once you've done this now, you need to drain towards the groin. Alright. So as jy nou, het julle so geleer, nee? Good. You need to drain towards the groin. So ek gaan nou myself, dis baie lekker julle. Ek gaan nou myself borsel, en sien julle, veral hierso, op. Upward motion. Moenie dit doen nie. Moenie dit doen nie. Kan jy dit gaan nie help nie. Dis nou as jy net jouself wil skrop. As jy lymf wil aanskakel en jy wil jou cellulite, ek gaan net vir my nie betaal om my dit te doen. Ek gaan die dag stil nog. Dis lekker, dis lekker, dis lekker. Dis baie lekker by die voete. Dis baie lekker. Dis baie meer. Ek weet nie of ek verder die video kan doen, ek so kan. Sien julle? Oh. Kyk hoe lief is ek vir myself, sien julle? As you give your body this, you go, I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, jy's mooi, thank you for everything you do for me, dankie dat jy mooi na my kyk, liefie, ek is lief vir jou, wees mooi met jouself. Haal die pad op, tot by die groin. Right, boutjies. Sien julle wat ek doen? Okay, ander handjie. Ons wil soen toe draai. Okay, nou raai groin toe. Okay, nou gaan ek my arm doen. Dis so wat ek sê, dis so lekker as iemand dit eintlik vir jou doen. By touch. Wat so? Kan jy mooi sien, Renetjie? Is baie lekker julle, hoor. And make sure that you drain all the way to your armpits. All the way. Hierso. Lekker af. So jy nou jou boobies gaan doen, gaan jy hom nou vat, en daar, om, hart toe. Sien julle? Hart. To the heart. Okay. Nou die hart toe. Sal hom met hierdie kant. For those who do not know, you have to be naked when you perform this ritual. So as you are standing there, you must look at your body and go, I'm sexy and I'm happy. Okay? Confidence. Also very nice to do this while your husband is watching rugby. Daar in die sitkamer. As die kinders nie by die huis is nie, né? Op wat hier. Al die pad op, dan hom so opbring, op na die onderarm toe, en die pad op, na vrouwtjies, so, dan hom opbring na die onderarm toe, en dan kan jy hom inbring na die hart toe. So. Don't be afraid to dry body brush your breasts. It's good for you. Okay, same here. You can do the colon area, and you can start doing it in a clockwise motion. And then as you dry body brush clockwise, you can then bring it up into that sack. Okay. You can even do this area, bringing it up to the sides like that, up to the sides like that, bringing it all the way up to the underarms, under the breast to the heart. Up from the underarms, under the breast to the heart. Okay? Dieselfde hierso, as jy hierdie vat en jy draai hulle af, thymus toe. Af, thymus toe. Okay. Borsel, papi, borsel.